Yo man guys, Charlie. Today I not really get any topic like that, but I just want make we talk. You dey understand, yes. I want make we talk about how to become a rich man. If you want to become a worthy man, the process, I mean, how you can become a rich man or how to put your worth with the bab. Yes, today that is what I want to talk about because Charlie, most of my guys are not making it. Most of my guys have refused to learn, and Charlie, they always worry me because this life it go always pain say things go be better for you. I mean, you go always dey lead luxury life, things are better for you in and out, and you will see some of your friends, some of your homies, some of the guys you started life with, some of the guys you started everything with. You see them suffering, you see them going through things. Charlie, e no be easy. Poverty be disease. You dey understand? If you know how chronic poverty be, you do anything to fight it. My guys, you dey understand? That be why I always dey love dey talk about money and how to make money and how to become better. Even the day I dey talk about girls sef, I dey always advise you people say make you people forget the girls, then you build yourself, then you invest in yourself, because see, nobody go pay you better than you go pay yourself. Abi you people dey know that thing? Yes. Nobody go give you better money than you go give yourself. Nobody go treat you better than you go treat yourself. So no matter what happens to you, it always depends on you yourself. That be why I dey always try to encourage my guys. I dey always try to motivate my guys for them to know that becoming rich is very, very, very easy. But it is not fast. You dey understand? Most won't make or they won't become worthy people, they won't become rich people just with a blink of an eye. Charlie, it no be easy like that too. It no be easy like that. Then unless you go take blood money or you go take you go do sakawa. You dey understand? You go do fraud. Or your uncle he leave some better assets give you. That one there, with the blink of an eye, you go fit become a worthy man. Even with those things, if you don't know how to manage them, because you don't know how to build them, you go collapse. You dey understand? So my guys, without much talk, Charlie, make we get into them. If you want to become a rich man, what are the things you for check out? You for check out for? You dey understand? Yes. Me, I will tell you, say, I mean, you can't be a rich man or you can't be a worthy man without income. I hope that it makes sense. You can never become a worthy man, you can never become a rich man without income. See, the fastest way of becoming a rich man is by getting multiple sources of income. 5 streams of income, 6 streams of income, 10 streams of income. Money they come left, right, corner, side, everywhere. Yes. That they make you a rich man. You dey understand? Me, I always they tell my guys, if you want to become rich, if you want to become one of the top shatters, always find ways and means to create more money. Always find ways and means to make more money. The fastest and the easiest way of making more money be investment. you try to invest. You try to, before you invest, you put a plan and a strategy in place. Then you try to invest. Some people, they, before they go invest, they won't learn everything about the field. They won't know in and out. Charlie, that be fear. They fear. They don't make their money bend. They don't see in life. If you won't make them, you for always they take risks. People say the war it come, it let businessmen they fear to invest. Everybody they hold their money. Oil no they, because nobody will invest in money into oil. But my guy, I will tell you, this be the time if you have the money. If you have the money, this be the time if you take the risks, then you invest. Because everybody hold the money. You alone you push your own. You go determine your price. You go determine the amount you want to make on this particular business you do, because nobody gets some. Nobody won't risk in money. You dey understand? The higher the risk, the better the reward. You dey bad man, guys. Charlie, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Woman Dem Slayer. What's up, man, guys? Charlie, this 2022, before it go end, you know be a receiver. Before this 2022 go end, then you yourself, you package your life in a way say you are comfortable in life. Me, I always dey tell people say, the end times you be small, we no grow, we dey always try show off. We dey understand. But this trip, no need trying to impress somebody, and no need trying to show somebody that I'm a worthy man, I have this, I have that. No need. You dey understand? At the end of the day, if I have better money in my pocket, better money in my account, I have businesses going on, I have deals going on here and there, I have monies coming in, I have cash flow everywhere, and I even decide to sit on a motorbike, it's my own decision. You get it? But I know my pocket. Which musician we talk that? Medical, I say gym your pocket. You don't understand? No be gym your body, you gym your pocket. Yes. That be the goal. That be the financial goal. That be the mindset. You don't understand? I want gym my pocket in a way say my pocket go way to the levels me myself I don't go feed the carry my pocket. That be how worthy I want to become. So day in, day out, I put in my effort, I put in my stress, to learn, to always open my mind on how to become a better and a worthy man. So I'm always reading, I'm always going through magazines, I'm always going through on the net, trying to learn about how people made it and how they are making it. Somebody like Elon Musk, Charlie, that guy, I dey follow him toe to toe. Just want to know everything. You don't understand? So day in, day out, if you want to make it, you have to surround yourself with people who are worthy, with people who has made it. See, you are always a reflection of the friends you hang out with. If you hang out with 4 drunkards, automatically you become the 5th drunkard. And it's not a miracle, or be juju. You dey bab that thing. Yes. If you hang around with 4 or 5 womanizers, the automatic say you too will become the next womanizer. Be key. That be why I dey always surround myself with business minded people, money minded people, currency minded people, people who are always thinking like the way I'm thinking, people who are always thinking and trying to build themselves and improve themselves in life. That be the kind of people I want to hang around with. You don't understand? people who has deals in their hand. Before they wake up in the morning, they have like 10, 15, 20 deals on the table. They will go through and decide which to pick and which to work on and which to reject. That is the type of people I want to associate myself with. You dey understand? We all it be mindset. See, this life, nobody was born a rich man. Stone Boy, you see, they no even born us with spoon in our hand. Yeah, but we go die with a golden spoon or something. I forget the lyrics. But Stone Boy be one guy I dey always love. Deep maximum. I dey love that boy because most of his music they inspire. It give you more self-confidence. If you dey listen to what the guy they talk, if you dey listen to the vibes the guy they so give you go understand. That boy, Apache Nyansini, I dey love him. See, as I talk today, I don't really get anything important to talk about. Yeah, I just wanted us to, for each other. I just wanted to come and Charlie, discuss one or two things. I make some people safe just to discuss with some of you. But I don't even watch the paper top. Yes, so things you do for financial freedom, or if you want to become a rich man, things you need to do. The first one be income. I talk about that one already. The second one be live less the money you make. You dey understand? This be why I dey always talk say you no need say you go prove anybody anything. You no need say you go show anybody anything. But at the end of the day, you know what you have and you know what you are sitting on. You understand? If you make 50,000 a month, don't spend more than 50,000 a month. You are making yourself poorer and poorer and poorer and more poorer. You understand? These be some of the things education will not teach you. Yeah, even it seems our church rooms will not teach you. These are things you need to learn on your own. You understand? Yes. So if you know say you dey make 10,000 a month, if you ask me, I will tell you say use the 50-30-20 rule. You understand? 50-30-20 rule. You go take 50%, put for your body. That be what you go take. They manage the house, you yourself, your bills, and like daily necessity, things where they need say you go buy. Then you go take the 20%. Utility bills and all those things. Then you go save the 30% for future investment, or you will even invest the 30% straight. If you know how to make money, if you know how to invest, you understand. So always they live below your means, live below the money you make. My guys, live on plan, budget. You should know your income and your expenditure. You understand? Where you for always draw your scale of preference. You for know the things that are important to you, that you are supposed to spend your money on, and the things that are wants. You understand? Whether you get them or you don't get them, life goes on. Those things you for always they forget them. Something like car. Car no be necessity. You understand? Car be liability. If you buy car, you do always spend on. You understand? Car no be assets. Charlie, man, guys, the things they this head inside, they plenty. If I say I will talk, they go break. Yeah, make you people subscribe to my channel. Even off head, you see things really come from my head inside. Day in, day out, man, they learn. And guys, I want to share with you. I want us to make money together. There are things I never knew when I was young. Like the things I've been talking about now. If I knew all these things when I was young and I was hustling, like I would be a very, very, very better man. But it's not too late. You get it? And I'm still a better man. But if I knew earlier, I would have been more better off. So that be the same mistake I don't want most of you man guys they make you people do. That be why I always try to use things me I learn and things I go through in the hard way to educate or to advise or to share, so that we all pick something out from it and we know what to do the next time. Charlie, make you people subscribe, yeah, turn on the notification, yes, it will help me smash the like button, it will help me then you comment. My guys, this channel no go anywhere without your help. This channel no go fit become anything without you. So Charlie, help make we grow the channel. Boss you again.